First line. My favorite language is English. Second line. It is an international language spoken all over the world. Third line. I like English because it helps me communicate with people from different countries. Fourth line. It is the language of science, technology, and education. Fifth line. Learning English improves my confidence and personality. Sixth line. I enjoy reading books and watching videos in English. Seventh line. It also helps me in my studies and future career. Eighth line. English has simple grammar and many interesting words. Ninth line. I practice speaking and writing in English every day. 10th line. I am proud to learn and use my favorite language, English.